The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has taken decisive action against its former national spokesperson, Nhlamulo Ndlela, ordering him to immediately cease all use of party resources following his dismissal from both party leadership and parliamentary duties. In a statement confirmed on Monday, the party announced that Ndlela had been removed with immediate effect as national spokesperson and member of parliament. The decision was formally communicated during media briefing led by the party president Jacob Zuma and Secretary General Sibonelo Mvalo. According to a letter cited by the party, the dismissal follows allegations of misconduct, internal division, and conduct deemed to have brought the Umkhonto weSizwe Party into disrepute. As part of the directive, Ndlela has been instructed to immediately relinquish access to all party assets. This includes bank accounts, official communication platforms, digital systems, passwords, devices, and any other material linked to the organization. He has also been ordered to return his party membership card and all official documents within 7 days. The party further emphasized that he must not access or attempt to use any MK party financial systems or communication channels while investigations are ongoing. The correspondence was also sent to Chief Whip Mabato Mokoena Zondi, underscoring seriousness with which the party is treating the matter. The statement reads as follows: MK Party announces suspension of Mr. Nhlamulo Ndlela pending investigation. The MK Party wishes to formally announce that President Jacob Zuma has taken the decision to suspend the membership of Mr. Nhlamulo Ndlela with immediate effect, pending the outcome of an internal investigation. This decision follows serious allegations relating to misconduct, sowing division within the organization, and conduct that has brought the party into disrepute. Mr. Ndlela has been instructed to immediately return and surrender all property, materials, account details, passwords, access credentials, documents, devices, and any other information or resources belonging to or associated with the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The party further confirms that correspondence has been forwarded to the Chief Whip, Ms. Mabato Mokoena Zondi, formally appraising her office of the suspension. The suspension shall remain in effect until the investigation has been concluded and final dissemination has been made. The MK Party remains committed to organizational discipline, unity, accountability, and the protection of the integrity of the movement. While the disciplinary action closes one chapter for Ndlela within the MK Party's ranks, developments within the organization suggest that internal restructuring efforts continue amid broader political realignments. Meanwhile, Duduzile Zuma Sampudla, the daughter of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party president Jacob Zuma, has publicly come out in strong defense of former MK Party national spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela, following his removal from both his party position and parliamentary duties. Her remarks surfaced shortly after the party confirmed Ndlela's immediate dismissal from his roles within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, a decision that has sparked visible internal tension and contrasting reactions within party-aligned circles. In a series of posts on X, Zuma Sampudla directly addressed Ndlela, offering unwavering support and rejecting attempts to diminish his role within the party's political history. She wrote, "At Nhlamulo Ndlela, they will never erase you as they were not here when we defeated all the charlatans, including Jabulani Khumalo. There will be no MK Party of President Zuma standing today without you by my side." In a follow-up post, she continued to express solidarity, framing their shared political journey as one marked by struggle, loyalty, and resilience, and stated, "At Nhlamulo Ndlela, we have walked through fires, we have walked through snakes, we have even walked through the lies peddled about us. With God and our ancestors with us, they have always been exposed. The truth has always been our side." She added a personal assurance of loyalty, stating, "You have been loyal to Dad and I, so know that you will never walk alone. I got your back and I believe you." People reacted on her tweet, and one said, "When given an opportunity to speak in meetings, all you did was to wear a Try Me Boys t-shirt. You are the reason me and many others left that party, you are behaving as if you are Nxamalala's only child. Someone stated, lol, if I was Sibonela, I would just resign before it gets ugly. Dudu never lost a fight. It's a fact. Another one stated, fire them, Dudu. They are using your father against the real supporters. Another one said, love how MK is cleansing itself from all toxic people. When you are loyal to Malema, then lied about Floyd, you have already been removed as MP. Now what's left is to revoke your membership and join the EFF. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is spiritual, understand that. Someone also stated, he was loyal to you and your dad, not the organization. Another one stated, the voters should reject this thing. You gave them your votes and they've refused to govern. You boycotted elections and the forming of government, yet enjoying the benefits of our votes. And they've been fighting for the benefits of your rich votes since day one, forgetting they have to serve you. Another one stated, you are such a wedge driver, Samputla. Keep quiet and let systems of the organization clear him of his clean. Learn from Dr. Hlophe. He allowed systems of the organization to work and they worked. Keep quiet and be disciplined. Another one reacted and said, your message is not helping the party at all. Leadership took a decision and all structures must respect it. Everyone should be focusing on building Umkhonto weSizwe Party and post messages that promote the party. Another one stated, don't provoke us at Duduzile Zuma. Please, MK Party is there because of our votes. If you want to grieve for your boyfriend, please don't involve MK Party. MK Party is not yours, but it is for the people of South Africa. At Mzanele Manyi, at Jacob Zuma, at Dalimpofu, please revoke her membership. If we are serious about building Umkhonto weSizwe Party, then we should remove such characters. Another one stated, Commander Grenade, we all stand with you and Tlamulo during these difficult times. Just name them and we will deal with them now.
Announce the immediate appointment of a new. The national officials further take this opportunity to announce the immediate appointment of a new national spokesperson for Umkhonto weSizwe Party, who is an academic and former news editor, Comrade Sifiso Mahlangu. Comrade Sifiso Mahlangu is a highly experienced journalist and renowned media personality.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.